Welcome to Taming Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Jupyter Notebooks and add Jupyter Notebook features to Python files in Visual Studio Code. Jupyter Notebooks is the way to go approach for experimenting and debugging with Python code or execute code in small parts while developing it. Jupyter Notebooks can also be used to graphically visualize variables. Okay, first let's talk about how to add Jupyter Notebooks feature to existing Python code. So I'll take a folder, I'll open with Visual Studio Code. I'll create a new file. Let me name it example.py. Okay, let me write a simple Python code. Print hello world. Okay, it's just a simple Python code. Now I will convert this block of code into a Jupyter Notebook cell. So I need to just write hashtag and a few percentage symbols. And notice now this is converted into a Jupyter Notebook cell. So a cell in Jupyter Notebook is a block of code that you can run. So let me run this cell by clicking the run cell button on top of the code. Okay, now you can see that Python has executed this block of code with the cell in Jupyter Notebook, and you can see the output here in the right pane. Let's add another block of code. I'll just declare two variables, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, just random array. Okay. And now I'll run this cell, and you can notice that these two have been executed. Now Jupyter Notebooks also has a very good feature called Variable Explorer. What you can do with the Variable Explorer is you can actually examine variables through the show variables button over here, and now you can see the variables of our code execution. Now let's write another cell, and here I want to define a function, say hello. Okay, now I will define my function and I'll run this code, and now you can see now the function is defined in the scope of this program. Let me create another cell and call this function. Yeah, now you can see the output of this function. Let me just modify this cell and write, instead of hello, I'll write hi. I'm going to run this cell, and now run this below cell again. Now you can see the updated output. The point I want to make is you can change the blocks of your code and see the behavior live using this Jupyter Notebook concept. One more use case of Jupyter Notebooks is that you can load data into variables once, and you can play with them as many times as you wish by changing the code below. This is particularly useful if you load huge data into your variables. In our case, the variables we loaded were x and y, and once these were defined, you can use those variables and do experimentation as many times as you can, since they are loaded once. This is an advantage of Jupyter Notebooks. Okay, that's it about using Jupyter Notebook features in an existing Python file. Now let's go ahead and create a Jupyter Notebook itself. So to do that, I'm going to press Ctrl Shift P to open the command palette, and then choose Create Blank Jupyter Notebook. Okay, let me save this as example.ipnb is the format of this file. Let me create a block of code here. I'll just write print hello world, and I'll run this block using this play button over here, run cell. And now you can see that a block is shown in this way, and the block output comes in line below the cell. So now you got another cell. So I have this, and if I run this, you can see the output. This is similar to a normal Python file, but this is a conventional Jupyter notebook. Jupyter also supports displaying of plots in the notebook. So let's take an example for that. To demonstrate inline plots, I have copy pasted a code, plots sine wave. So let's run this. Yeah, there you go. You can see inline plot outputs in Jupyter Notebooks. And Jupyter Notebooks obviously supports Variable Explorer. You can see the Variable Explorer here. And if you click here, you can see the variables. That's the Variable Explorer in Jupyter Notebook. Once you're done with your Jupyter Notebook, you can convert it to a Python file by pressing this button, Convert and Save to Python script. And just pressing this button, and there you go. You can see your Jupyter Notebook converted as a Python file, and now you can use this for your production purposes and whatever. I've written a blog post on Jupyter Notebooks in Visual Studio Code. Make sure you check this out. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.